Continuances. Let's talk about them. Hi, my name is Carl Burkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for over 7.5 years, and I want to help you make law easy by talking a little bit about what it means if your case is getting continued. Um, so this can sometimes be a blessing, sometimes be a curse, but there's about 1,012 reasons why your case might be getting continued. Part of that depends upon what's your case being set for. Is it set for actual trial? And if it's set for a trial on the merits or a final dispositional hearing, it's not very likely that it's going to get rescheduled absent some very serious reason why it would. So, death in the family, tragic accident, um, something like that. Like simply having the sniffles or having car trouble is not really going to get you there. If anything, it's more likely going to result in a judgment being entered against you or even a warrant being issued for your arrest. But there's plenty of other types of hearings that get continued all the time, and sometimes just out of necessity. So let's take an example. Uh, in any standard misdemeanor case here in Tulsa County, you're looking at a couple of hearings before it gets disposed of. You're looking at your initial appearance, you're looking at your first sounding docket, you're looking at your discovery hearing, and then you're looking at your dispositional hearing. Each one of those times that you go to court, it gets passed to a new date, it gets continued, but for a different reason. Like from your initial appearance, it gets continued to sounding so that you can decide, figure out, is this something that you want to straight take to trial or you want to do some discovery and see if you can negotiate? At sounding, are you taking it to trial or do you want to do that discovery and try to negotiate? If you're going to, then you're going to continue it again for that discovery hearing. At that discovery hearing, okay, do we have all the evidence that we need? Has the state provided all the evidence that they're supposed to provide? If yes, then you're going to move forward. If no, you'll get a new court date for another discovery hearing to make sure that you have all of that information. So it would either get continued to another discovery or it would get continued to a disposition. And that's the time when you would either enter a plea on your case or you would set it for trial. That's 4 or 5 continuances right there that are just standard operating procedure in these types of cases. Sometimes, maybe in a family case, uh, a lawyer has a scheduling conflict, or uh, you know, for whatever reason, maybe the parties are looking at reaching an agreement, and so the attorneys don't want to run up the bill by having a hearing. They'll just pass the case by agreement with the court's approval. There's plenty of reasons why your case might be continued to a new date. And 99 times out of 100, those reasons are benign. If you have questions about this, or maybe you have a case that's been going on for a while and you're not exactly sure why it keeps getting continued, go ahead and give us a call. I'm more than happy to talk with you about it. We'll go through the facts and we'll figure out whether or not, something weird is going on or if this is just standard operating procedure. My name is Carl Burkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.